Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, you can enjoy watching how to make soft and spongy instant dokla. Khaman Dhokla is famous Gujarati dish. You can have this healthy recipe for a snack or breakfast with green chutney. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of besan flour with half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon sugar. Mix well and add half teaspoon lemon juice, first add little water and mix well like a paste. Make sure there are no lumps. Then add more water. The dokla batter should be neither thick nor thin, but should be of this consistency. I have added approximately 3/4 cup of water. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will preheat the cooker till the water boils. Now add half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix and stir gently in one direction for approximately 1 minute. You can now see double the size of the batter. Pour batter immediately to a greased tin with oil. You can now see the water is boiling. Place a stand or a cup inside the cooker and you will be placing the tin on top of this. Steam cook for 20 minutes. Keep it in medium flame so it cooks from inside. After 20 minutes, insert a knife or a toothpick into the dokla and check if it comes out clean. If it does, then it is ready. Otherwise, cook 5 minutes more. Take out tin from the steamer and let them cool for few minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare for tempering. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a small pan. Add mustard seeds. When seeds begin to crackle, add 4 to 5 green chillies and curry leaves. Saute them for few seconds and add half cup of water with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar. Switch off the stove and add half teaspoon of lemon juice and few coriander leaves. Syrup is ready now, keep aside. Now we will take the dokla out. Invert the dokla on a plate slowly. See, it has come out beautifully, so soft and spongy. With a sharp knife or an oil greased knife, cut the dokla but do not remove the pieces. Now pour the prepared syrup evenly over the dokla and in between the cuts. We add water to get soft and spongy dokla. Let the dokla absorb the water for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will make green chutney. In a mixer jar, add 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves, 3/4 green chillies, 1 tablespoon grated coconut, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar and half teaspoon lemon juice. Add water as required. Our quick chutney is ready now. Garnish the dokla with freshly grated coconut and enjoy with green chutney. Hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, share with your friends and stay connected. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye.